Hi Charlotte, this is Jesse with Foreman Finished Paintless Dent Repair, and in this video I'm going to show you a combination repair. A combination repair is where we use paintless dent repair and a traditional body shop method to remove the dents and dings from your vehicle. Now, not every dent is a good candidate for paintless dent repair because it may have some paint damage, like this Honda Del Sol. We're going to use paintless dent repair and the body shop to get this car looking brand spanking new again. So stay tuned, we're going to get these dents out using paintless dent repair, and we're going to send this over to the body shop when we're done to get it back to black. All right, check it out. So here we are looking down the side of the Del Sol, and you can clearly see the paint is missing on the front edge of the door there, along with two big other chunks of paint missing. It's also got some scuffing from the impact, and we're going to polish that off. I'm going to use a glue pulling method to remove the bulk of this dent. This is going to move a lot of metal really fast. This is going to allow me to speed up this repair. So with glue pulling, we move a lot of metal, and in order to get the metal to lay flat, we have to go back in and do some fine detail work. Here I am tapping some high spots down after going in and pushing some more of the lows out after glue pulling. All right, here we are a couple hours later, and you can clearly see the dents are removed, but the paint damage is still there. We were able to get all of this dent out using paintless dent repair, and that means there's going to be a lot less mud inside that dent to get this looking smooth again, which means a lot less time at the body shop and a little bit less money out of your pocket to get this repaired. If you've got some questionable damage, or you think you've got a big dent that paintless dent repair might be able to get out for you, or you've got something similar to this, bring your car by the shop. Estimates are free, no appointment needed. 712 Morrow Avenue, or you can give me a call at 704-248-1236. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll have a few more of these videos. See you soon.